Harnessing the power of water in its gaseous state, steam has been a formidable force, propelling humanity forward across centuries. Did you know that steam is regarded as one of the most successful forms of heat transfer? It's true. Moreover, it's the use of steam that laid the foundation for the Industrial Revolution, powering locomotives, factories, and ships, revolutionizing the way we live and work. But, why is steam, which is simply water in its gaseous state, so significant? Stay with me till the end of the video to find out that answer and more. The transformation from liquid water to steam is an intriguing physical process involving energy transfer and change of states. When water is heated, the molecules gain enough energy to break free from the bonds holding them together as a liquid. This creates steam, an invisible gas that can be seen when it condenses back into tiny water droplets, forming what we often refer to as steam. Steam has unique properties that make it extremely effective for many practical applications. It has a high heat content, allowing it to carry large amounts of energy even in small volumes. This characteristic makes it a superior form of heat transfer, critical for processes like power generation and industrial manufacturing. But that's not all. Steam also possesses the useful ability to sterilize materials. This is why it's often used in hospitals and laboratories for sterilizing instruments and apparatus, ensuring they are free from any potential contaminations. Did you know that the first practical steam engine was developed by Thomas Newcomen back in the early 18th century? Years later, James Watt made imperative improvements to Newcomen's design and the real power of steam was unleashed upon the world. These steam engines emerged as significant power sources for factories, mines, and transportation devices such as steam locomotives and ships. Steam's role in transportation didn't end with the advent of modern, combustion-based engines. In fact, nuclear power plants, which produce a significant amount of the world's electricity today, utilize steam as well. Here, a nuclear reaction produces heat, which is then used to turn water into steam. The steam spins a turbine attached to an electricity generator, and voila, we have electric power. One interesting fact about steam is that it's also used in food preparation. From the steam ovens you might find in a high-end culinary kitchen to the humble steamer basket, steam can help cook food evenly, quickly, and without diluting flavor. Moreover, renewable energy technologies are now embracing steam as well. Concentrated solar power plants generate electricity by using the sun's heat to produce steam, which then powers a turbine and generates electricity. So now, you might ask, why is steam so significant? It's because it is an efficient and clean form of energy. It has been instrumental in our progress as a civilization and continues to shape our world in ways we often take for granted. Thank you for staying with us till the end and discovering the amazing world of steam. If you enjoyed our deep dive into the fascinating science and history of steam, please like, share, or comment on the video. We would love to hear your thoughts, and remember, learning is a journey, so make sure you subscribe for more interesting and educational content.